Go live. Hi guys, welcome to today's live. My name is May Doldalal, and today we are talking about how to increase tax savings through categorizing business expenses. But really I'm talking about the one key that helped me become financially free. I found it in 2008. And it's disguised as how to increase tax savings through category business expenses. But stay with me, and if you follow this, it might be the difference between financial freedom and working a job that you hate. And this is what changed it for me. You might not believe me, but when I'm done, and it's only going to be like 5 minutes of your time, you're going to see what I'm talking about. So who am I? I live in Waikiki. All right. We own this 2-bedroom condo. My husband, Jamel, and our son, Jordan, he's 7. He's getting toys in the corner over there. We live in Waikiki. All right. We own this condo. We own another 1-bedroom down the street. But in 2008, when I found this key, I owned no property. I owned 0 property. Okay. I was in debt, over $40,000 of debt, credit cards, lines of credit, stuff like that. Right. Nothing like really valuable except my own debts. And then I paid it off by April 2016, quit my job, improved our family's net worth by $500,000. I was making almost $500 a month in passive income, mostly from dividend yielding stocks. Now I coach clients. I started coaching clients in 2016 at the end of the year when I decided to quit my job. I coach clients to do what I did, which is create a lifestyle where you have more free time and you are not chained to a job that you hate. You actually do what you love. So right now, hi Sanctus18, welcome. I am doing a live video on my blog, yesfinanciallyfree.com. I highly recommend you check it out. I love doing this, okay? I love spreading knowledge about what I'm doing. I love learning more about financial freedom because I use it in my life. And I love sharing what really works for real people, all right? This isn't theoretical stuff. This is stuff that I did, I'm doing, that works now, all right? So this is exciting. YesFinanciallyFree.com. Check it out. The blog post underneath here has all the information. I visit this one blog post every year. Okay. Every year I come back, and I wrote it 6 years. I wrote it in 2015. Okay. So I come back to this post every single year. That's how important it is. All right. And I want you to understand, if you understand what this blog post today I'm talking about highlighting is talking about, you will become financially free. All right. I just believe it so strongly that I'm just hyping it. Hi, HR Gunner, welcome. So go to yesfinanciallyfree.com, put in your first name, email address, hit the big red yes button, get on my email list, and then you'll be emailed when I'm live what I'll be talking about. You'll get a free ebook, Working Parents Guide to Financial Freedom, sent directly to your inbox as well. All right. Now, how do you create wealth when you're working a job you hate? Now, I completely understand if you are in a job, you might not hate it, but you don't want to be there, right? You want to do your own thing. I completely get that because that's where I was. I was working at a bank. It was a nice job. Don't get me wrong. It was a good job. I just didn't want to be there anymore, okay? I wanted, and after I gave birth to Jordan, I knew that I wanted to be at home with him. I wanted to be a mom, okay? I wanted to have more time with my husband. I wanted to have more time for myself, you know? Now that I don't work a job, I meditate twice a day in the morning, at night, right? And I exercise. I go out every day in nature. I spend tons of time with my son and my husband. I cook healthy food. I get enough sleep. You know, there's so many things. I'm so healthy. You know, I hardly ever go to the doctor except for checkups. That's it. Drop is low. Welcome. And so I just want to share this with you because I want you to get financial freedom in your life. Now, what did I do? I started my own home business. I started a blog in 2008. I started doing, I don't know if I started an actual blog. I started doing website businesses in 2008. My first blog was a teaching business, teaching English as a second language, because at the time I was a second language teacher. All right, I taught English as a second language. Hi, Big Rick, welcome. That was my part-time job in addition to the bank job I had. So I wanted to quit. And I wanted to teach English online so that I didn't have to do it anymore. And my students could still get the lessons. So it's there. It's online right now. It's still there. eslteacherguide.blogspot.com. It's a blogspot blog. Okay. But it's there. And I started in 2008. But the key was that I decided to create my own business and go for something that I believed that people would get value from When I started that business and I, created a limited liability corporation and I did all that stuff, I hired an accountant, right? Because I was like, I don't know how to handle my taxes now that I have my own company with my internet business. And that year in 2009, when I got my refund, and I never used to get a refund, okay? I used to have to pay extra every year in taxes. But that year I got a refund and it was like $3,000. And I was like, what? And that gave me hope. You see, I had been working a job and I didn't realize the biggest wealth drain that anyone has is their taxes. You lose so much money. You work hard, you earn it, and a third of it goes to the government in taxes, maybe half of it when you look at sales tax and all kinds of state tax, sales tax, federal tax, excise tax. There's so many taxes that you pay out. If you can reduce the taxes you pay out, you instantly become maybe even twice as wealthy as you are now. It's a huge difference. And it is one of the things that if you can understand, it can create great wealth for you. Okay, so what do I do every year? I go and I categorize my business expenses. My accountant gave me a list, which is on this blog that I have under this video. That list, I reference it every year and I just categorize our business expenses according to whatever the categories are for my accountant. I hand it over. She deducts a partial home office expense, right? So part of our rent or mortgage, now it's a mortgage, it used to be rent, now it's a mortgage. We actually own property, is deducted, right? We have a rental property, it has amortization. There's all kinds of things going on. Depreciation, that's what I want to say. So what I want to tell you is this. Start your own home business. Now, this is important if you work a job that you don't want to work in anymore. Why? There's so many benefits I can't even begin. But the first one, obviously, is cash back in your hand, $3,000. When I got that $3,000 back, I got it in hundreds. I laid it out on the bed. I took pictures with it. I rolled around in the money. To me, that was a lot of money. I was $40,000 in debt. You don't understand. It was like such a big deal to have all that money and to touch it and to feel it. And I cannot even tell you what a difference that made in my life. It made it seem like I can become financially free. If you just do this one thing, and you just have to create a business around something you like. If you have no idea, look at network marketing companies. They're great businesses, okay? Network marketing companies, they have so many great products. My friend was doing doTERRA, it's like an oil. I have another friend, Avon. There's another friend I have, is New Skin. There's all kinds of products. So if you're interested in or prepaid legal, I don't know if they're still doing that, but there's all kinds of products in network marketing that you could sell at home with, as a home-based business. Now, if you have your own idea, if you want to do a blog maybe, or if you want to sell hamburgers in your own food truck, our ukulele teacher is starting his food truck. He's opening today, right? Whatever small business idea, teach piano lessons, teach consulting, sell fruits and vegetables, make bracelets, whatever. Just start. And then you will see a change. First of all, you might get a huge refund. Second of all, you might actually be able to use that to fuel your business, become really good at it, so you can quit the job and do what you actually love for a living instead of doing the job that you don't want to do anymore. And once you have a business that you can own and love, you're going to understand what it's like. Hi, Pretzel, welcome. You're going to understand what it's like to create businesses, have employees, be responsible for your, sales. You're going to learn so many skills and those are the skills you need to actually truly become wealthy. All right. So, hi, Fadari, welcome. So I want you guys to check out the blog. I cannot hype it enough. It is so important. It was a huge difference in my life. Hey, what's up? YTN Photography. How you doing? I'm doing well. Thanks for joining in. I'm going to end this now. Thanks for hopping on. Check out today's blog. It is so good. I actually wrote it in March of 2015, but I'm just sharing it again because I'm reading it now. Every year I look at the same blog. Okay. Hope you guys have a great day. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Aloha. Take care. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already. if you